Let's continue. In this session, as part of Master Snowflake Data Engineering, in this session, we are going to see a practical example of a virtual warehouse. So in this, we are going to see how to create a virtual warehouse, how to start, how to stop, how to resume, how to suspend, how to drop a virtual warehouse. So to create a virtual warehouse, if it is command prompt, we use this syntax: create or replace warehouse name, and how much size you want, whether you want to auto suspend. If you want auto suspend, how many seconds, auto resume, true or false. These syntax we give. Let me write a query for creating a virtual warehouse in command prompt. Later, I am going to show you graphical approach. See, I am opening workspaces. Let's here. Let's create a SQL file. I'm giving name to this SQL file. That's a virtual warehouse. Okay. In this, I'm writing SQL query. Observe. This is my SQL query. Copy this SQL query. Virtual warehouse SQL query. So here, create or replace warehouse my underscore warehouse with warehouse size x-small and auto suspend 120 seconds, auto resume true, initially suspend true. After creating my warehouse, suspend. Initially suspend true. Okay, let me execute this one. Control enter. Warehouse is created. Then I want to know warehouse is created or not. You can see here warehouse names. Click on this one. You can see my warehouse one. Select this my warehouse one. Then if you write any select query, select star from raw underscore db dot raw underscore schema dot emp table emp. Then select this query. You are running this query. Who is going to execute this query? My underscore warehouse one is going to execute your query. Previously, which warehouse is executed? Compute underscore WH. Now, which warehouse is executed? My warehouse one is executed. This is graphical way of writing SQL query. Okay. And sorry, this is command user command way of creating warehouse. Second one, we can graphically also we can create warehouse. Let me show. See here, you can see compute. Click on warehouses. You can see list of warehouses, my underscore warehouse. Here you can see plus warehouse. Click on this one. Here you can give a warehouse name, my underscore warehouse 2, warehouse 2. Then select a size. You can click on here. You can see sizes x-small, medium, large, x large, 2x large, 3x large, 4x large is available in AWS cloud. Let's say small. Then here advanced options, auto resume, auto suspend, then create a warehouse. Warehouse is created. Go to projects and workspaces. My requirement is I want to drop a warehouse. You can just issue this command. You can drop. You can write a query saying drop warehouse my underscore warehouse to select this one. It will drop. Similar way, I want to drop warehouse one also. Whatever warehouse you want to drop, you can select, then you can drop. You can write drop warehouse name. It will drop warehouse. Clear writing, what is virtual warehouse, how to create virtual warehouse, how to select created virtual warehouse, then how to drop virtual warehouse, how to create using command, how to create graphical.